Hello students, Sai Ram. Let us continue with chapter number 2, Components of Food, part 3. In previous session, we have studied about the 5 essential nutrients along with water and roughage. In today's session, we will be continuing with the topics balanced diet and deficiency diseases. Children, what is balanced diet? Can you recall the definition of balanced diet which I have already taught you in chapter number 1? Yes? A balanced diet is a diet that contains the proper proportion of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and water necessary for maintaining good health along with roughage. Children, can you see two friends on the screen? Rohit and Mohit are the two friends. They follow very healthy habits. They play together. They also exercise together. Then they study together too. They also follow fixed timings for eating their food. But Mohit always falling ill, while Rohit is usually very fit. So, exactly what is the difference between two children? Mohit and his parents visited to a doctor and asked him for the reason why Mohit is frequently falling ill. Then the doctor said that he is not having proper food. Then Rohit said that Mohit always has homemade food, doctor. Why doctor is saying he is not having proper food? Then doctor said Mohit definitely have homemade food, but he is not having food rich in different types of nutrients. He is always having same kind of food, so that some nutrients are going inside his body but other are completely missing in his diet. So that is the major difference between Rohit and Mohit. Do you see on the screen, children, how Rohit is eating variety of food? As a result, variety of nutrients are supplied to his body. While in case of Mohit, he eats same kind of food. As a result, he does not get enough nutrients required by his body. So, he is suffering from a number of diseases. Now, what are these diseases called, children? Which are caused by the shortage of certain nutrients, or we can say lack of certain nutrients. We call such diseases as deficiency diseases. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called as deficiency diseases. Let us see some common diseases caused by the lack of certain nutrients in our body. First is proteins and carbohydrates deficiency. Our body needs protein for growth and maintenance. Proteins are building blocks of muscles, skin, chemicals in body like hormones and enzymes, etc. Deficiency of protein leads to stunted growth, face swelling, skin diseases, diarrhea and discoloration of hair. If the diet is deficient for protein and carbohydrate both for longer period of time, then there is a threat of stopping the growth completely. Then the person is in such case is lean and thin. He becomes so weak that it is even difficult to move for him. We'll see calcium deficiency. Calcium is essential for strong teeth and strong bones. It is also important for muscle movements and nervous system. Deficiency of calcium causes muscular cramps and abnormal heartbeat. Now, next we'll see iron deficiency. Iron is necessary for making protein called hemoglobin in the red blood cells. Hemoglobin carries oxygen from lungs to the other parts of the body. Deficiency of iron results in lack of hemoglobin, therefore lack of red blood cells. It causes poor absorption of oxygen, which leads to fatigue and poor performance in work or in school, which often leads to disease called anemia. Next is iodine. Iodine is needed for making thyroid hormone, which helps to carry out chemical processes in the body and to keep our cells healthy. Deficiency of iodine causes poor growth and development of the body, especially it leads to mental retardation in children. It causes deficiency disease called goiter, in which thyroid gland present in the neck swells abnormally. Next we'll see the remedies for mineral deficiency like calcium. We have to increase the intake of cheese, milk, fish, eggs and the leafy vegetables plus pulses. To overcome the iodine deficiency, person should increase the intake of iodized salt and seafood. Next, to overcome from iron deficiency, person should increase the intake of green leafy vegetables, apple, eggs, spinach and pulses in the food, or we can say in the diet. Next, we will see about the vitamin deficiency. In that, first is vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency causes poor vision. It may cause night blindness or even complete blindness. Remedies for night blindness. Intake of food rich in vitamin A can help to prevent and cure night blindness. Next, we'll see deficiency of vitamin D. It causes poor absorption of calcium. So, bones become soft and weak. As a result, bones bend and this disease is called rickets. Remedies for rickets is we should have food rich in vitamin D such as milk, yogurt, mushrooms, butter, cream, fatty acid foods and egg yolk. Exposure to sunlight and intake of food rich in vitamin D can prevent and cure rickets. Next, we'll see the deficiency of vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes the disease called beriberi. It is a disease which causes weak muscles and very little energy to work. To overcome these remedies for disease beriberi, food rich in vitamin B1 helps to prevent as well as cure beriberi disease. And food rich in vitamin B are brown rice, milk, fruits and vegetables, legumes, brown bread and rice bran. Next, we'll see disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency causes the disease called as scurvy, a disease in which there is bleeding from the gums, inability of the body to heal wounds. Next, we'll see the remedies for disease scurvy. Here, intake of food rich in vitamin C can help to prevent and cure scurvy. And intake of vitamin C are oranges, spinach, strawberry, blackberry, lemon, tomatoes, cauliflower and broccoli. Now we will summarize what we have studied in the today's session. In today's session, we have seen the deficiency diseases are caused by due to the lack of one or more nutrients in diet. Having a balanced diet is important for preventing deficiency diseases. And a balanced diet contains a proper balance of nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates and fats. Here now we'll see the chart of deficiency diseases and their symptoms. Here children, lack of vitamin A causes loss of vision and the symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Next is vitamin B1 causes deficiency disease. We call it as beriberi. In that a person is having very weak muscles and very little energy to work. Next, due to lack of vitamin C, the deficiency disease is called as scurvy and in that person is suffering from bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Due to lack of vitamin D, disease caused is rickets. In that bones become soft and bent. Here children, due to the lack of calcium disease, bones and tooth decay occurs, and the symptoms are weak bones and tooth decay. Next, deficiency of iodine in the body causes goiter. In that, glands in neck appear to be swollen, and sometimes mental disability in children. Here, next is deficiency of iron, which causes deficiency disease called as anemia. In that, person suffers a severe weakness, even sometimes fatigue. Here children, I am ending this chapter number 2, components of food, over here. Till then, goodbye children.